Here, what is this? And giving the name to this animal Chimpu. Okay, Chimpu is going to the moon. Join the dots to complete the picture. Color the picture. What you have to do? You have to join this picture dots and color the given picture. That is your homework, children. Okay, now come to page number 99. Yes, I will read the lesson. Run your finger on the line and listen very carefully. The sky above us has air. When you go very high up, there is no air. It is just empty space. That is why the outer sky is called space. What is space? The outer sky is called space. It is just empty space. That means there is no air at the outer sky. So it is called space. That's why it is called space. The outer sky is called space. Yes. Underline the word space, children. S-P-A-C-E, space. Okay. Next one. Space travel. We know what is space. Yes, the outer sky is called space. How can we go there? Let us see. Aeroplanes and helicopters do not go into space. Do not go into space. A spacecraft or rocket is used to travel in space. What is using in the space? A spacecraft or rocket we can use to travel into the space. A rocket travels very fast. We all know that, yes. A person who travels in space is called astronaut. A person who travels in space is called astronaut. Okay. When traveling in the space, an astronaut wears a special dress called space suit. Underline the word spacecraft. We can use spacecraft or rocket to travel into the space. Spacecraft, rocket, and the person who travels into space is called astronaut. A-S-T-R-O-N-A-U-T. Astronaut. Okay, next fifth one. A special dress worn by astronaut is called space suit. Space suit. Underline all these words in your textbook, children. Next, coming to the checkpoints. It is used to go into space. What is used? Option A, bus. Option B, cycle. Option C, rocket. Which thing we can use? Yes, rocket. It is used to go into space. Option B. Checkpoints. First one. Option C, rocket. Look at that. Next, second question. This person travels in space. Who is that person? Option A, driver. Option B, pilot. Option C, astronaut. Who is traveling into space? Astronaut. Second one is also option C, astronaut. Okay, look at the option C. Next, third one. A person who wears this while traveling in space. While traveling into space, what is the special dress? Is it a night dress? Option A, night dress. Option B, space suit. Or option C, uniform. Option B, space suit. Space suit. Okay. Now, next one. Yuri Gagarin of Russia was the first man to go into space. Who is the first person? Yes, the Russian man Yuri Gagarin of Russia was the first man to go into space. Underline that word also. Okay. Next one. The first woman to go into space was also from Russia. Her name is Valentina Tereshkova. It is the Earth's nearest neighbor in space. In space, what is the nearest neighbor to our Earth? Moon. There is no life on the moon. There is no life on the moon. Neil Armstrong of America was the first person to step on the moon. Who is the first person? Neil Armstrong. He is the first person to step onto the moon. Okay. Next here, one fact file is there, children. Listen. A Russian dog named Laika was the first animal to go around the earth in a spacecraft. What is the first animal? Dog. What is the dog's name? Laika. Underline that spelling also. Yes. All of you read all these spelling. Okay. Next. Now see what are the main points in our lesson. The outer sky is called, yes, space. The outer sky is called space. The person who goes into space is called an astronaut. Yuri Gagarin was the first person to travel into space. There is no life on the moon. Neil Armstrong was the first person to step on the moon. And Rakesh Sharma was the first Indian to go into space. Kalpana Chawla was the first woman. And Sunita Williams was the second woman who went to space. Okay? All of you